Hey guys, Happy New Year. Trust you are doing well. Yeah, it's 2022 and it's gonna be a big year. It's gonna be a year of abundance. Are you ready? This year, one of your goals should be to stay on top of your games, business, varieties of life, life endeavors, friendship, family. You must stay on top of your games because if you are not working towards that, you might start complaining even before the year start running. This year is going to be amazing. So I bring you good tidings, I bring you push-ups, I bring you encouragements for you to make sure that this year you're going to be on top of your game in your business, in whatever you do in your academics. Never relent. Never show yourself that you're going to be lazy this year. This year you're going to work all out to be productive in what you are doing, to be lightened up in whatever you are doing, and to be money minded. So today I'm going to be giving you 5 tips to stay relevant for 2022. So first, before you talk about relevance, ask yourself these questions. How do I stay relevant in my business? Every day business are revolving. Every day new things keep up coming up. Every day technology is changing. So how do you think you can stay relevant in that business today? How do you think you can make things work out for yourself? How do you think you can stand out? How do you think you can be on the top? So today, these 5 tips will help you to accelerate in 2022 with your business. So number 1, think outside the box and embrace collaboration. Yeah, a whole lot of us are here. What we did last year is the same thing we want to repeat by this year. And if you check the business world, things have already changed. Even before you sleep and wake up the next day, a whole lot of things have changed. So this year, you must think outside the box. Thinking outside the box is not going outside to think, but how can you work with what you have? How do you think what you have can be of more relevance to reach out to more people? How do you think you can collaborate with others? Neither seeing people as your competitors, but you see them as collaborators, where you work together, reach out the people you know you cannot reach, where you can be together to give out the services that you are offering, where you know you can bring in people to what you do in the same field, to bring in their ideas, to accelerate what you are doing, to give out what you are doing more effectively and timely. So how do you think you're going to collaborate this year? What are you thinking, and how are you being creative in your thinking? So that will be your number 1 priority this year: thinking outside the box and collaborating with other business owners. Number 2, work with data. Data is the present, data is the future. Every success you need revolves around data. So make sure you have the data of the industry you work with, you have the data of your business. A whole lot of businesses in Africa, this is one of their challenges. They fail in keeping data. So today I encourage you to take responsibility and responsive attitude towards keeping data of your business on your website or social media handles. Know the behaviors of your audience on your business as a whole, in your region. Know the behavioral attitude of your audience in your constituents. So make sure you keep data of your business, because with your data you can pass on your business to the next generation. With the data you have in your business, you can do better, you can be informed more in your business and know how to carry out effective parts of your business. You know how to reach out to your customers, you know how to take feedbacks, you know how to check your business every year. Each year you know your business success, you know who to reach out and who not to reach out. And the best part of it, data will help you keep track of your business success in 2022. Number 3, embrace innovation. Always look out for the best ways to put out what you have in your mind. Never stick to doing one business with one style. Always embrace innovation, embrace the IT, embrace the technology aspect of your business, embrace the responsive aspect of your business, and again, embrace innovative collaborations in your business. Your business is not one fits all. Make sure you reach out to people in other industries. collaborate with them to do things better. If you are not innovating in your business will keep on draining down and going towards the grave. Make sure you are very open-minded to embrace innovation. However it's coming, whatever that is hitting you, is it the economy, is it the situations, is it the weather conditions, is it monetary issues, always embrace innovation to know when things are going wrong and to know when things are better for you to rise up and take up the better part of your business. So today, make sure in your business for 2022 you are embracing creative innovation for yourself and for the growth of your business. Number 4 here is understand and listen to your audience. Yeah, when you make out all those top-notch strategies, when you plot out the good and the beautiful ways to execute your business, and you don't understand or listen to your audience, where they are, where you can find them, where they are going, what they want at every exact point, I'm sorry, you're going to be stuck in your business. So the number 4 thing you need to understand is make sure you understand and listen to your audience. Their feedback is very good. Where they are is very awesome for your business. What they need at every moment is very good key for you to make decisions of your business improvement. In 2022, if you are not understanding or listening to your audience, you keep on making the same mistakes and keep on running around and never improving your revenue. But when you understand your customers, when you impute your strategies, trust me, believe me, that your business is going to work. Your audience are going to love what you're doing. They're going to help you do more marketing, and they're going to help you bring more audience to your business, and you see your business scale through and grow, and you see yourself being expanding in the next few years. So believe me, understand your audience and also listen to them. Their feedback matters a lot, and it is very important for you to create time to understand and listen to your audience for you to accelerate in your business 2022. So give it time, give it every good moment, and make sure you are getting the right feedback from your audience to accelerate in business. Number 5, know what makes your competitors successful. Yes, certainly you have competitors in your industry, but your ability to know what they are doing differently for their success is an advantage for you to go and study. There is nothing wrong in standing in shoulders of giants who have gone ahead of you in long term to build strategies that are working them into success. So when you study them, you have access to mimic what they are doing and be better for you in your own business. Being better in your own business is only the following strategies that work and that are proven will also be an advantage to your own business. So today, make sure you go and list out the successful giants in your industry. Study what they are doing, come and do differently. Likewise, you see success in your business in 2022. It's never a bad thing to mimic what others are doing, but doing it in a term that will suit you and serve your own audience rightly. I hope you got value on these 5 tips. Then I'm going to give you a bonus tip to keep more strength in 2022. So my bonus tips will be my number 6. So number 6, specialize in your area, not everything. Let me sound it again. Specialize in that you are doing and do not poke nose in what others are doing. Yes, there is this quote that says, specialization enhances your worth in the society. When you are being known for one thing, it is more easier for people to identify with you than when you do everything. So in 2022, make the decision to specialize in your area. Be known for one thing. When you are being searched on the internet, your name will pop out. When your friends are discussing and they need a solution to a certain thing, your name will pop out and they will mention you. But if you are not specializing, if you think doing everything will work your way to success this 2022, sorry, it's not gonna happen. You're gonna still be where you are. So make sure you specialize this year, specialize fully well, and enjoy the rest of your 2022 in success. Hope you got value in this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because you're gonna be getting more of these. And I hope you're also enjoying your holiday. Yes, I've been traveling this holiday to go to villages to just test dishes. And also thanks to Image Barber for giving me this nice haircut. I really appreciate. Thank you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and enjoy the rest of your 2022.